Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your screen rotation not working on ALCATEL 3. Let's begin. First, let's simply check if we have our screen rotation enabled. If we expand our control center, you will notice that it is currently disabled. This means that if you would go to an application that supports both modes, for example Chrome browser, and we'll try to rotate it, nothing will really happen. This is bad because we want something to happen. If we want something to happen, all we want to do is simply expand our control center once again and enable auto rotate. Now, if we would try to rotate it, you will notice that everything is working fine. However, if you have still some sort of bugs or any issues related to that feature, I would also advise you to just reboot your device. And you can do that by simply pressing for a moment the power button and then hitting restart and then OK. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but whenever you reboot your phone, you're not only rebooting the software but hardware as well, including gyroscope, which is directly responsible for, you guessed it, screen rotation. So, if you have any troubles, make sure to just reboot your device. And also, remember that not every application supports both modes. For example, many games do this, like Clash Royale, which only works in portrait mode, and any kinds of mobile games like Call of Duty Mobile that only work in landscape mode. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.